To place that student. KWWL's Justin Andrews spoke with the superintendent right after that closed meeting, and he's live in Iowa City tonight. And Justin, what did the superintendent tell you directly?
Well, Amanda, I first told you about this on Saturday, and tonight the board decided where that student will be taught. Now, by law, we can't even know where that student will be placed. And get this, parents of other students in the district, they also can't even know.
FERPA actually stipulates that information is not something that we can disclose.
In a closed session required by Iowa law, board members decided where to place a student sex offender in the Iowa City Community School District.
I guess parents be notified of other students in that?
No, again, the district is not allowed to affirmatively notify parents or students in that school.
By federal law, district officials are required to withhold most information about the situation, meaning parents of other students who may be in the same classroom as the student sex offender won't even know.
One of the things that we do is we look at the safety of everyone involved. And again, we look at the safety of all students in the district, this student in particular, all staff who will work with this individual while they're in the district.
Superintendent Murley says this situation is unique and maybe even unprecedented, but he assures it meets the educational and socio-emotional needs of the student. He says the board has worked closely with the court system and the student's guardian to ensure safety for the student and everyone else in the district.
We do recognize that this is a unique situation and that that individual has some needs that we can meet both in our classrooms and through therapeutic services.
There are plans in place that the district will implement when it comes to monitoring the student before, during, and after the school day to ensure safety for all, including the staff.
We feel very comfortable and confident that we have developed a plan that will ensure that there is full-time monitoring.
Now, as you had heard Murley say there will be full-time monitoring of this student, and that includes overlapping supervision. That means basically there is more than one adult watching after that student at all times. We've got you covered live in Iowa City. I'm Justin Andrews, KWWL News.
All right, definitely a unique situation, Justin.